Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to learn biology grade 10 under characteristics of living organism. That's topic 1. So in order to identify living organisms, scientists listed 7 characteristics which all living organisms have. So each and every living organism has these 7 features. Without wasting much of your time, I encourage you to continue supporting us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel so that I can continue uploading more new videos. So, number 1, nutrition. Nutrition is the taking in of nutrients which are organic substances and mineral ions, containing raw materials and energy for growth and tissue repair, absorbing and assimilating them. So this simply means that nutrition is the taking in of food that has nutrients. These nutrients helps our body to grow and to repair tissues. It also helps our body to have more energy by absorbing and assimilating them. 2, excretion. Excretion, okay, this word you can pronounce it depending the way your English teacher taught you or the way you can pronounce it. What matters in biology is knowing the spelling, because during exams they will not tell you to pronounce it, but you need to write it correctly. So pronunciation, it may differ depending the school that you went or the school that you are going to. So please take note. That's why it's important to know the spelling. Yes. Okay, so excretion is the removal from organic or of organic. Excretion, is a removal from organic of toxic materials, the waste product of metabolism and substances in excess. So it's a removal of toxic materials. In short, excretion is a removal of toxic materials. These are simple notes that will help you to know them and understand them. They have been summarized in a simple terms for you to understand. Even during exams, these are examined questions approved. You can answer them the way they are. So it's a removal of toxic materials from our bodies. That's excretion. 3, respiration. Respiration is a chemical reaction that breaks down molecules. So take note, don't forget the word chemical. It's chemical reaction. Chemical reaction that break down nutrients molecules in living cells to release energy. So it breaks down. It's a process of breaking down nutrients into smaller substances to release energy. 4, sensitivity. Sensitivity is the ability to detect or sense dangers. Sensitivity is the ability to detect or sense changes in the environment and to make response. 5, reproduction. Reproduction is a process by which offspring make young ones. Or reproduction is a progress that makes more of the same kind of organism. Growth. Growth is the permanent increase in size and dry mass by an increase in numbers of cell size, and or both. So growth is a permanent increase. You know, when someone is growing, is permanent. So like when you grow, then you have to go back. No. So let's say when you grow by 1 year, so that again you are going to reduce. No, you are increasing in size, permanently increasing in size. So growth is a permanent increase in size and dry mass by an increase in number of cells, size, or both. So it's permanent increase in size of cells. So all living organisms All living things grow. All living things grow, no matter what. Anything that is living, it grows. Movement. So we can say a plant is a living cell. It's a living organism. I don't know. Let's comment on that. 7, movement. Movement is an action by an organism or part of organism that changes position or place. So movement is simply means an action that an organism take to rotate or change a position or a place. The 7 characteristics could be memorized by the term Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green. Those who are in grade 10, you're going to find these guys. So these are very, very good notes, approved. Even in class, you're going to find same meaning, even more, much better. Yes. So if you want to memorize these 7 characteristics of living organism, just remember Mrs. Green. So Mrs. Green simply means it will give you M, stand for, start saying, movement, R, reproduction. Yes. So you have to be very, very sharp and active. Grade 10, take time to read these notes. If you have a book, you can buy a book that you can be using. So guys, what I was saying is this. If you want to memorize this, you can use Mrs. Green, which is M stand for movement, R stand for respiration, S stand for sensitive, Mrs. G stand for growth, R stand for production, E stand for extraction, and N stand for nutrient. By then, you have memorized and known this. So what is the definition of metabolism? Metabolism is a chemical reaction taking place in cells. Chemical reaction taking place in cells. Stimuli, changes in the environment. It's a changes, stimuli. Okay, biology, it has terms. So changes in the environment which organism respond to. So stimulus simply means it's the response. It's a change in environment where the organism responds to something, responds to sunlight, responds to water, responds to wind, and so forth. Classification. Classification is the sorting out of living organism according to common features. So classification is you are putting all living organism together according to their common features. Classification is the sorting or is a grouping of all living organisms together according to common features. You classify them, you group them together, you put them together according to their features, to their common features. So we have kingdom. So what are some of the kingdom animals? You put them together and so forth. So this is some of the diagram. Classificatory system. Classificatory system. So this is a diagram how some of the living organism has been classified according to their common features. The biggest group is the kingdom. So the kingdom is the biggest group. So guys, if you want, you can copy these so that yes, so that